Okay, thank you so much for joining. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, so I have 2.3 years of experience in ServiceNow development. Mostly I have worked in ITSM module. So and I have worked on catalog creation of catalog item that includes notifications, email, uh, UI policy, business rule, workflow,
Okay,
flow designer, ACLs. Yeah, that's it.
okay. Can you tell me one of your requirement which you have worked from scratch?
Requirement.
Yeah, any work which you have done from scratch?
Yes, creation of catalog item, that one means worked from scratch, means we have created from scratch catalog item, that is means created variables from scratch and created variable sets, applied catalog UI policy on that.
Okay. Do you know what is a UI policy?
Yes, UI policy is client side script that we use for made some variables read only, or make it mandatory, um, or make it visible, disable. Or,
Okay,
uh,
okay, great. Is it client side or server side?
it is client side scripting UI policies.
Okay. I see in your resume you mentioned ATF as well. So have
Yes,
you created any
actually,
ATF?
no, I'm learning ATF.
Okay, you are learning ATF.
Yeah,
Okay. Can you tell me about ACL? What is an ACL?
yeah, access control list. It is means we can use for restrict data on form, or like means it is a security rule that controls who can access or modify data in the platform, or um, there are four types. Read means there are operations: read, write. um,
Mm-hmm. Can you give me
mm,
one example of ACL which you have
mhm.
worked on?
Yes, so recently I have worked on ACL, that is there is one requirement, means user can edit the field on form, but he can't edit on list view. So in that case, I have applied ACL.
Okay, so what type of ACL you have modified there or
Or
created?
yes, I applied their read access and read and uh,
Okay. Uh, Tell me about business rules.
yeah, business rule is a client. Business rule is a server side scripting
Okay,
where we can use run specific database operations, or we can use when we uh, do some operations, or means if we change something on form, then in that we want to change, or means I can give an example. If we want,
yeah, please.
there is one, there is one on the incident form. There is one outage table is there in related list. If you want to remove that outage records from incident form, in that, or and we if we want, and after that remove after that removing records from incident form, then that should be deleted permanently from outage table. So in that case, we can use the business rule.
Okay. Can you tell me the type of business rules we have?
Yeah, there are four types of business rule. That is async, display, after, before.
Okay. Do you know what is async business rule?
Yeah, async business rule will be mm, uh, mm, after the that business will run after the record updated, deleted, or yeah, updated or deleted.
Okay, apart from ITSM, on what modules you have worked on, or you are learning anything apart from
No, actually, I
ITSM?
didn't get no, I didn't get chance to work on another module. So I have worked on ITSM only.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between, or you can say relationship between incident, problem, and change?
Okay. Uh, uh, okay. So incident means when it occurs. Incident is when we create an means if we face some problem or
Okay.
yeah, it occur. Means incident is a like disruption to a service. In that case, we create incident. So
Okay, good. Yeah.
yeah, and uh, if we find the root cause on the problem, in that case we create change. I think
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure about it. Yeah.
About problem, any idea?
No, Minder, I didn't work before this on problem also.
Okay, okay. Just go through
Mostly
all the
I.
basic things, okay?
Mhm.
These are important and people expect answers on these. Yeah, you're telling something?
Yeah, I have worked on service portal also.
Okay, you worked on service portal. So you have
Yes.
designed service portal?
No, actually, I made some changes on service portal on existing service portal.
Okay, okay, okay. So what type of service portal? What all things you are displaying on that portal?
Yeah, there is one record producer I have created on the service portal, and then we created mm, announcement, and then we display record from CMDB CI table on that portal.
You know what is the use of CMDB CI table? What
Uh,
data it contains? What type of data?
uh, that is configuration
Mm-hmm.
management database. Like
Yes.
that contains CI related data configuration item.
Okay. Can you tell me what is
Config
a CI?
Yeah, configuration CI contains all data all data means
No, CMDB contains all data, but CMDB has CI. So what is a CI? Can you give me one example? Okay, just go in that way. Give me one example of a CI, please.
mhm. uh, CI means hardware like servers or routers and switches, software like applications, operating system.
Okay.
And
And what is the relationship between two CI?
mhm. That can be one to one, one to many, many to many, or many to one.
Can you give me one example, please?
Mhm. Uh, mm,
Take your time. Okay.
mhm.
Think.
Uh, mm, like, um,
Okay, no problem. After the interview, go through it. Okay.
yeah, sure.
Yeah, these are the things which are expected.
Mhm.
Okay, what else? How good you are in scripting?
I can rate myself out of five as three.
Okay, you know what is the use of glide aggregate?
Uh, Glide aggregate, I think we use for count something.
Okay. And glide record?
Glide record to fetch some tables record.
Okay. So you have created a script?
Yes,
Okay. So tell me what is GS?
glide system.
What is the use of GS?
Just to show means We used GS to get information.
Which type of information?
Hmm. Means if we want to display some information, I think means we have used GS glide system API in log to check the our script is running or not.
Okay. So GS means glide system. It is an API that is providing system related information like time and all. Okay.
Mhm.
So keep this in mind. So let's say I want to debug a particular script. How do I do that in ServiceNow?
Yes, we can use background script for that. Is it?
Okay. Background script, but how? Means okay, you write the same script in background script, but how you debug? What all options you have to debug?
Mhm.
Have you not used log or anything?
Yes, but I used log for just check our script is running or not.
So that's what debugging is, right?
Yeah, yeah.
To check
Mhm.
whether the script is running or not. It means you are trying to see in which step you have issue or how to proceed, what is the output coming in this line and that line. This is debugging.
Okay. Mhm.
Apart from log, any other option you have to debug?
Mm, oh, I'm not sure.
Okay, no problem. Let's move to next question. Integration hub, what is that? I see you have option here.
It is external application or platform to create end-to-end digital workflows or discover service now integration hub.
Okay. Have you used it?
No.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between business rule and script include?
Okay. Uh, Actually, business rule and script include are both server-side scripting.
Okay. So this is
So,
the commonality, right? Any,
mhm.
what is the difference?
uh, mm, okay. So, business rule means like record insertion, update, deletion, or query to control system behaviors. Or script includes our means reusable server-side script. We can reuse it in different client script or
Okay. Okay, I good. Okay, I see you have a responsibility to collaborate with cross-functional teams to gather
Mhm.
requirement for ServiceNow solution. So tell me about this. What type of requirement gathering you have done till now?
Okay, so before this, I have worked on application. Sorry, uh, we created one application. So in that application, they require the third part. Uh, they want to export the data from ServiceNow to third party application was there. So in that case, we connected with them and uh, what requirements are required for this, all these things we discussed and yeah.
Okay. Uh, do you know the difference between UI policy and data policy?
Yes, actually data policy is same as like UI policy, but if we want to restrict users to edit the list, in that case we use the data policy.
No, no, it is wrong. Okay, just go through it. What is data policy?
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. So when we come to catalog item,
Hmm.
so have you created any flow or workflow as well, or just catalog item?
Yes, just catalog items.
You know what is the use of workflow?
Yes, actually, it grab the status of that request or mm, yeah, means it shows a status, what live status we can say.
Okay. Okay, I'm done with the discussion. You have any question?
Yes, according to 2.3 years of experience, what we need to develop things in service now.
Yeah, first of all, see, as per, let me give you uh, the feedback here. Please brush up the basics, okay? Like
Mm-hmm,
in ITSM, instant problem change, you have to understand the meaning as well as the functionality of these things, how it is working in ServiceNow, as well as do some practice of the scripting, okay, based on various scenarios.
mm-hmm,
So apart from ITSM, you can learn HRSD as well. Okay,
okay.
HRSD is similar to ITSM almost, but have different. It is different, but it's not that much hard. So you can start learning HRSD, understand it properly, what is the use and all. So once you
Mm-hmm,
do that, then you can go forward. As you are learning in integration hub, integration is always a part of always, a good thing to learn. So uh, keep learning integration hub, go
mm-hmm.
deep into it and do practice. This is the only feedback I can give here. Okay. And
Okay.
whatever you learn, don't forget to practice it in your PDI.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you so much and all the best.
yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye bye.